Hey y'all, it's 2020 and I wanted to share something really special with you all that I hope you like and maybe want to try yourself. So I know everybody is in the season of making your vision board, setting your goals and your resolutions, and you probably have your cute little vision board that you went to an event and you met some new people and you set your goals, and now you have this vision board in the corner, or maybe it's already up on your wall. Throw it away. Aww. Just toss it, because I'm going to show you something that you might like. So I actually got this inspiration from Erin on Demand, who is a YouTuber. One thing that I really loved about her vision board was how specific she set her goals, how specific she made her board. But I'm going to go ahead and share something with you. It's not really a board. I made a vision planner. Yes. So here is my vision planner. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the supplies and where the vision comes in at. So first things first, I got this from Target. Retail price is about $35 to $40. Don't freak out. I definitely know that sounds like a lot, but it's cost so much because, for one, it's a refillable planner. So you can use this 2021, 22, 23, pass it down to your grandkids. Okay, all of that. But if you don't want to spend as much as I did from Target, it is by Day Designer. You can get one similar to this. You could just get a pronged binder. As you can see, this one is a 6-prong. Just get a small binder, or they come in different sizes. This one is the A5 size. Okay, so when you open it up, it comes with this pencil pouch. I need it because guess what? I write color coded. I'm a nerd, and that's okay. You can add additional little things, little tools that you might need. I purchased these from my local Michaels. What is special about this, it definitely comes, you know, it's your standard planner that comes with the monthly dividers. It comes with 2 extra dividers that you can use for whatever, and the paper, just some line paper. Use those, customize it how you want. I love refillable planners because customization, make it your own. This is my baby. Okay, so for instance, I'll show you. I definitely use those 2 tabs. They were blank. I turned them into my Create Everyday tab and my Give Thanks tab. That's what the stickers say. So my Create Everyday one, for instance, is my brainstorming. So I get ideas just out of nowhere, especially when it comes to events or projects I want to work on. These pages right here, I actually printed from a planner site, and I'll give you that information. But it just has a space for your idea, any details you might know, and if you want to sketch something out, something you already see in your head and you just have to give it out. The next one is my Give Thanks. This is going to be where my scriptures go when I'm doing my studying and my prayers and all of that. Customize it how you want. If you want strategies on how you want to chew your gum for this year, there you go. Okay, so the vision part is my favorite part. So one thing about a vision board, why I didn't want to do an actual board, is because it's going to become something that either is in the pile with all the other vision boards that I've ever made, or it's going to go up on the wall. I'm going to walk past it like a regular piece of art in my house. So I wanted something I can take with me, and I always have that constant reminder of what I need to focus on, because this is going everywhere with me. So going back to Erin on Demand, one thing that I love that she also did was at that time she picked a word for the year that she wanted to focus on. At that time, her word was gratitude. Mine is faith. Okay, so right smack beginning of the year, beginning of the month, January, I have my word here, faith. That's what I want to focus on. It says I can, he will. Make it cute. Some advice: same tools that you need for your regular vision board. I use paper, glue, printouts, stickers, all of that. Same concept. It's just a miniature version of it. Okay, use the hole punch, easy peasy, and it's done. My favorite part is the vision part of this. So basically I created a little insert for every month, so it goes in between the calendar, the 2 calendar pages that shows the calendar month. So the first one I'm going to show you is the one for January. So I didn't put in any particular order. It wasn't like, oh, these are the things I want for this month. No, it's just throughout. So with this one, like I said, I didn't use a magazine cutout because I wanted to make it really personal, and I wanted to be able to see it, you know. So I use Canva, which is like the holy grail. Okay. So for instance, for this one, this is like my one for my brand. So Via Adrian, specifically viaadrian.com, my website. Stay tuned, girl. So yeah, I have a little cell phone here, a laptop that has my logo on it. I have a little blueprint website behind here. Be the CEO your parents always wanted you to marry. Things like that. Upping my engagement. These are all some of the goals. Now, flip to the other side. And I did this on each side of the monthly insert. So this is what I mean by making it effective and where the vision planner side comes in. So every month I have this little sheet. I set a goal for the month where I put up here. Then I have strategies to accomplish that goal every week. That way I can track. I know it's going to be effective. I can look at every week what I need to focus on specifically. And then it can correspond with things I actually have set to do in my daily schedule. And then here, because like we said, goals, all your goals need to be realistic and they need to be manageable. Okay, so like I said, one thing Erin did, she made her goals very specific. A lot of people, you make your vision board, you done put a mansion on there, you done put Michael B. Jordan on there, you done put 3 kids on there for the whole year. I can tell you for a fact, 2 of those not gonna happen. You not finna be with Michael B. Jordan because that's my man. Second of all, you're not finna have 3 kids in 1 year unless you're expecting triplets. So make it realistic. And for it to be measurable, I have a section for my results. So I want to be able to keep track of what went right, what was wrong, what I could have did better, did I achieve it, did I not achieve it. So that way going into the next month, I don't make those same mistakes, okay? And then it's a way to help me brainstorm. So that one is January, my brain goes, yay, and it's super cute. So one thing that I like to do, I wanted to switch it up because you might not have 12 categories or you might not have 12 goals, which is fine because of course you want something that you can really just focus on wholeheartedly, and that's okay. So one thing that I did, and this is what I have inside for the month of February, I inserted quotes that came from influential people who inspire me, especially when it comes to my field and my goals. So for instance, in the month of February, we got my good sis, curls is popping, Issa Rae. She definitely inspires me as a creative, as a businesswoman, and honey, as a black woman. Paper, super cute, same concept. Made this on Canva, easy. And the quote says, I found that every time I asked permission, the answer tended to be no. So I had to make my own yeses. Hashtag 2020, making yeses. Okay, so you can switch it up. So I have like a quote 1 month, a goal, quote, goal, quote, goal. I also have some scriptures in there to keep me on track. Same thing. This is something I actually made on Canva as well. So it's just a template. So go in however you want to do it. If you don't want to do weekly strategies, just you can do just threats, things to look out for when you're facing your goals, opportunities. You know, do your own little SWOT analysis. Learned that in school. The degree was worth something, I think. So yeah, just strategize and keep it cute. And then so we're going to take a look at some of my other months. So there were a couple months that I actually wanted to go into detail with you all, so you get what I mean by be specific, because I truly believe if you see it, honey, you can be it. Okay, that's just it. So this one, I think this came from my July. It really doesn't matter, but this one is my health is wealth goals. So my health goals, and for me that goes for physical and mental and spiritual health. It's all about, you know, health as well. Good on the inside, good on the outside. Okay, so for this one I have a couple things. So I have pictures that, you know, allow me to think about aiming for that great skin, that healthy hair, because the girl got hair under this wig. Don't let it fool you, okay? I gotta put my good sis Tiana Taylor because she's body goals, right? Got Stone Mountain on here, my happy place. But the goal for that is to get up at 6 a.m. 3 times out the week and go to Stone Mountain. Y'all have heard from me on that one, okay? All right. I put Maya on here because she is like my vegan inspiration. I got vegan on here because that's the goal, to be a vegan. And then just prayer, worship, mental health, always important. Remember that. So that's that one. Same thing on the back. Go for the month. Then the next one, this one is a personal goal as well. So I want to secure my event space for 2020. So what I mean by making it specific, honey, you better crop, cut, paste, whatever you have to do. So as you can see, I have just different buildings on here. One of these spaces is actually a space that I'm looking into, but what I have done is I have put my logo on the fronts of every building on here. You gotta see it so you can be it, okay? Just what I want the inside of the space to look like. Fully booked, gotta put that one there, honey. We're booked and busy. Just some of the events, decor pieces, table settings, packed out crowds, sold out events. That's all we do anyway. And then invoices paid, because that's what makes me happy. Paid invoices. So those are just a couple of the things that I wanted to share with you all. Hopefully this inspires you. Hopefully it helps you, because we cannot forget the whole reason behind a vision board is to see it and get it done. Keep you motivated, because one thing I don't want for you or for me is to come December 31st 2020 and we're like, dang, shoulda, coulda, wouldas. We're not doing that this year. It's a new decade, so let's just try something new. So make sure you share if you do decide to create your vision planner. I would love to see it. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Send me DMs and I'll be sharing all the information for the tools and supplies that I have used. And above all, happy 2020.